Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set calling settings on the Skype application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the chats icon down below and then click on your profile icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down to the manage section and click on settings. Now tap on calling. As you can see, there are 4 functions, such as the caller ID, which is now disabled, so you can turn it on by clicking on the button, meaning that your number will be displayed when you call or text someone from Skype. Here you can select your country or region, then enter your phone number and click on the add phone number button down below. By going back to the calling settings section, you can see that the second option is call forwarding and voicemail. You can enable this function by clicking on this second option. Here you should select from these options below, such as forward calls after and how. So you can select whether you would like to forward calls after 1 second, or you can basically go up to 90 seconds. And then you can also select from 3 options: to voicemail, to another Skype account, or to a mobile or landline number. If you have chosen the voicemail, well, you don't have to add anything else. If you have chosen the second one, you should add the Skype name to which you would like to forward the calls. And the third one requires to type in or select your country or region and your phone number. Then if you are done with selecting all these details, click on the confirm button down below. There is this call captions option, meaning that first of all, you can change your language that you would like messages to be translated to, and then you can turn on this show captions for all calls option. And there is this last one, only show captions for other participants. So what you say will not be included in captions, so you can also turn this function on. Then you can click on the reduce data usage option, meaning that you will consume less bandwidth during call in expense of quality. So if you click on this set option, which is now set to never, you can select from 2 other options, such as on mobile networks or always. So click on the relevant one, thereby updating these functions on in this calling settings section. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.